In fact, it's been the coldest start to winter for 30 years. Temperatures on average over the past couple of weeks have been around about 3 degrees below where they should be. Now, as I say, it's still cold out there at the moment, even if you've got the sunshine. And the sun is shining across northern England, Wales and southwest England. It's pretty dull and dismal across East Anglia and the southeast, and it's grey too across northwest Scotland with some outbreaks of rain here. It's a touch milder, at least in the Western Isles, but for most of us, just 5 or 6 degrees this afternoon. Through this evening, the frost will return where the skies are clear across northern England, parts of Wales and the Midlands in particular. The southeast turns quite misty with some fog patches. Further north and west, it's a little bit milder tonight across Scotland and Northern Ireland, but the rain will intensify across western Scotland in particular. Now, as I said, across the southeast, it will turn quite misty again. Some thick fog patches forming through the night, making for a pretty grey start tomorrow. Again, it will be pretty cold. 1 or 2 fog patches across East Anglia, maybe through Lincolnshire. Should be a dry start for much of northern England, but just signs of some rain getting towards Cumbria by 8 o'clock in the morning. Certainly across Scotland, it's going to be a grey and wet morning. That rain particularly heavy in the west first thing, maybe even the odd rumble of thunder, and the rain also spreading from west to east across Northern Ireland quite quickly tomorrow morning. Much of Wales will start the day dry. Again, it will be a bit of a chilly start, a hint of frost perhaps here and there. It's going to be cold and cloudy too across southwest England. Now, as we run through the day, the southeast corner may well stay grey and cold throughout. The rain further north just gradually heads its way, spreading in across southern Scotland, parts of Cumbria by lunchtime, and then moving across the rest of northwest England, north and west Wales through the afternoon. Behind it, it'll actually turn a little bit brighter with some scattered showers in western Scotland. Ahead of it, generally staying dry but cold, just 5 in Norwich. But elsewhere, well, temperatures just starting to rise maybe a touch. Now, during Tuesday night and Wednesday, that rain band clears through, so it could be a bit icy first thing on Wednesday morning. But for most of us, Wednesday will be dry and bright, again, with some winter sunshine around, temperatures only reaching 6 or 7 degrees Celsius. And then we get another change as we head towards the end of the working week. The Atlantic weather fronts start to come in. The isobars squeeze together. That means some stronger winds. These weather fronts will provide some outbreaks of rain. They'll also bring those strengthening winds, but with the winds coming from the southwest, eventually turning just a touch milder. Lou, back.